we going to be making?
Pizza!
Pizza! Hey, assalamu alaikum everybody, so it's Jenna, that's me, the hijabi from TNT. It's Monday. I hope you guys are going to have a fantastic week. Now it's the last week before school reopens and it's the last week before we all head back out to work. You're going to have to be dealing with the traffic, rush hour. So I know you guys are going to want to make the best out of this week with the kids at home, the nieces and the nephews. I have my two super cute nieces right here with me, my Mumu and my Gabas. And today we are actually going to be having some fun in the kitchen. Now yes, believe it or not, in the kitchen could be so much fun, great family time together, and what better way to spend some family time in the kitchen and making, what are we going to be making?
Pizza!
Pizza! Gabas, you want pizza? Yeah, so we're going to be making a pizza for you guys today. Alright guys, so it's another extra special episode today, just because for our pizza we're going to be using some items that are actually on special right here in XTRA Foods in Trinidad. And we're going to be using Hunt's pasta sauce that's on special for the remaining of August, and May Pride kernel corn as well. And these two cutie pies are going to be helping me make my pizza today. Alright guys, so I just I had my dough done before to save some time, you know. That's a process that might take a little bit of hour, like an hour or so, so you should do it before, especially if you want to get the kids involved. So I had the dough sitting there. The basic ingredients for the dough would be the flour, yeast, warm water, some sugar and vegetable oil, just some basic ingredients. If you want to check out how to go about putting together the pizza dough, you can check that out in the video. I'll be posting that in a couple of days to come. I have one little rugrats running away.
There she goes!
So basically what I'm going to be doing is cutting this dough into 2 pieces. If you have a knife, you can use your knife as well. And we're going to be doing 2 pizzas for one each niece to put together on her own.
The share!
This aside.
I'll make some mushrooms pizza.
Alright, so all I'm doing is using my hands, rolling it out. Alright, so I'm taking this and I'm going to be putting it onto a greased baking tray.
Greased baking tray?
Yeah, so that it wouldn't stick.
Stick? Okay.
Understand?
That work.
Yeah. But this one, you are going to be putting your stuff on it. So this is one we're setting aside, and we're going to roll out the other one as well. You want to try to roll it?
We have to roll it now.
You have to do it.
Roll it like this?
No, you have to use this.
Use that?
Yeah, so for this. Good job! Let Nana turn it around now. Look how nice you did that. See? Go ahead. Roll it out this way. Alright guys, so just we just rolled out the pizza dough, and I used my hands. I'm just stretching it out on the baking trays. So my niece, my Mumu, is going to be doing one. She's going to be putting anything she wants on it, and I'm going to be doing the other one. Of course, we're going to be using our Hunt's traditional pasta sauce for this. Mumu, what's this? You like mushrooms? You got different vegetables that I prepared beforehand too.
That is pepper.
Peppers. You're going to put peppers in yours?
Onion.
Oh.
Corn. Pineapple. I don't want to put no onion and pepper.
You're not going to put any of those on yours? Okay, you're going to put this one? What's this? Chicken. So let's see how Momo is going to be doing her pizza. You know when you're making pizza, right? You're going to have to be putting sauce on pizza. Yeah, because that's what makes it taste extra nice. So here you go. Rub it around. Yeah. All over. Ooh, that's a lot of sauce. Yeah, think it's going to taste really, really nice. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now what I'm going to be doing, pizza is such a fun thing you can do. I'm going to be doing half with like chicken, pineapple, and mushroom, and the other half I'm just going to be doing a strict veggie side. So on one side I'm actually going to be doing the chicken, and the other side I'm just going to be doing
I
the
don't need
veggie.
corn.
Corn, go right ahead.
You must sprinkle everywhere.
Everywhere. You want some mushrooms on yours?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mushroom is yummy.
But you didn't like the mushrooms. I'm going to spread all around.
No, no.
How much?
I'm making soup.
Are you making a nice pattern on your pizza? Put some mushrooms around here. Now for pizzas, normally the best type of pizza you're supposed to be using for pizzas would be mozzarella. So you know in Trinidad everything for us is cheddar cheese. So I have some grated cheddar cheese already here, and I also have some mozzarella, and I'm going to be putting both of them, of course.
Are you gonna put these in?
Yeah, I'm going to put this because this is called mozzarella cheese. You?
I don't like it. That is not for
You want this-
pizzas.
Yeah, it is actually. Sprinkle a little bit on it. So while she's doing her fun stuff with her pizza, I'm going to be doing some seasoning on it. Pizzas, you know, you need to have some spice or some seasoning, dry herbs on it. So I'm just going to be adding some oregano and some basil.
Now look.
That's a good job. Now we're going to put the other one on it.
Yeah, almost finished.
Yeah. So the two dry herbs I used on my pizza, oregano and
Are you
basil.
gonna put that?
I'm going to put this on yours.
Are you gonna put that on mine?
I don't know if you would like that on yours. So while we're doing this, be sure to have your oven preheating as well. We're going to be baking it at 350 for about 25 minutes, 30 minutes. But you want to check on it depending on how thick your dough is. You want to, the time will vary.
Yummy, my tummy.
So Momo, what do you think about the pizza?
It's good.
Did you make this one?
Yes.
It looks pretty good. What did you put on it?
I put some corn, some pineapples, some chicken, and some cheese.
Wow, that sounds delicious. What about you?
Whose pizza looking better, Nana, or yours? Both of them. Good job. See? You want this one instead? So, how long are we going to bake it for again?
25.
Very good.
And then we're gonna put it in the oven.
25 minutes, right? Yes, guys, so we're going to be baking it for 25 minutes at 350, and we'll see how it goes. Just monitor it depending on how thick your pizza dough is. It might need to be adjusted. To bake, right? So you have to hold it, and we're going to put it in the oven, okay? All right, let's go.
After we cook, we got to wash the wares. And this little girl is helping.
Yummy. Now I want to put it to what?
Just some.
All right, so after all the hard work in the kitchen, these kiddies are ready to eat pizza. Alright guys, so that's all we have for you for today. It was so fun having these two little cuties in the kitchen, and I encourage you to get involved in the kitchen as well with your kids, your nieces, your nephews. Have some fun with them. Being in the kitchen can be lots of fun. Last week before school, so make sure and have fun. And before we go, we've got some exciting news to share with you as well. Alright guys, so what's a surprise, you're probably wondering? Well, you just saw the video on the pizza making with my nieces, and now it's your turn to make some pizza. So we've got this huge hamper courtesy of XTRA Foods, of course. Lots of nice stuff in it, and it's very heavy. And if you want to win this, all you have to do is take a picture of your best pizza, send it in to us, and you get a chance to win it. You have until the end of this week coming, which will be around Friday, Saturday. I will post all the information down below, and you can have a chance to win a hamper from XTRA Foods. Be sure you enter. Be sure to share the video with all your friends and your family as well, so you guys can get into the pizza making and get a chance to win this very nice hamper courtesy of XTRA Foods.
Chicken inside. We got chicken.
Hey, I put pineapple yet.
Oh, you want this, Momo? This is Momo.
Extra!
That is Jenna Jean.
So how long are we going to bake it?
25 minutes.
25 minutes we're going to bake it for. And then we have to put chicken.